Hey everyone, we're back. Episode 6 already. We're going to talk all about making friends. You already know the drill. Let's plant our feet. Let's raise our shoulders up, drop. Raise our shoulders up and drop. Let's actually roll our shoulders back if we're able and close our eyes if we're comfortable. And we are going to inhale for a count of 3, exhale for a count of 5, with our intention to be present as we have capacity. And we'll just inhale and exhale one time. So let us inhale. 1, 2, 3. Exhale. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. And when you're ready, open your eyes. Y'all, I know that y'all love my inhale and exhale voice. That's my wellness voice, if you will. Making friends. So, this is the episode where I'm gonna sing to you just a little bit. And please don't judge my singing, but I do love to sing, but I'm off key. So there is this song by Dionne Warwick called That's What Friends Are For. This is my song. I love it. So y'all ready? Let me me, which is funny. I used to sing the chorus. Cannot sing to save my life, but let's go ahead. So I'm gonna sing it a cappella, but let me just like sway a little bit to get the rhythm in my mind. And I don't have rhythm, but I still love it. Love to sing. Okay. In good times, in bad times, I'll be on your side forevermore. That's what friends are for. That's it. That's it. Let's go ahead and talk about it. So, before classes, you can make friends on social media by joining Facebook groups, LinkedIn groups. You can also follow campus organizations on socials. So, whatever club you might be interested in, or maybe there was a similar club in high school, you can follow them on their Instagram, on their Facebook, on their LinkedIn. If they have any groups, you can do the social route. And even when you join those groups, you can just introduce yourself. Hey, I'm so and so. I'm a first year student and I'm excited to be here. Or you can be like me. I'm kind of bold if you haven't guessed. Like, I'm one of those, like, super extroverted people. So I may put, hey, I'm Tanya. My people call me Boosie. And I'm looking forward to this group. And I am excited to make new friends. Or I'd love to make new friends. All right. Another thing you can do is to attend any pre-campus orientation or welcome week events every semester. So even when you're not a first year student, I would still attend those events to get to know folks. There are usually games and ways to interact with folks, and that will be another way that you can make friends. Most universities and colleges have some sort of organizational fair every semester, and so that usually happens usually like the first week of classes, or sometimes they have them intermittent throughout the semester. But I encourage you to go there, chat it up with people that are in at the different booths, have a conversation. Now we'll talk about a slight elevator speech in a moment. Let's say you're in a space where you're not on campus. So you only have online classes and you never actually go on campus. How can you make friends? You can also make friends in your courses. Think about the people who maybe speak out in class and you love their ideas or you have similar interests. I invite you to message them on Zoom, like, hey, so-and-so, I'd love to chat with you. Just say hello. Boom. Something easy. Let's say you are in class and you want to make friends with folks in your class in person. Again, you can do the same thing. You're packing up. Hey, so-and-so, I love what you said today. I would love to grab a coffee. Just something that's easy. Or, are you headed to your next class? I'd love to walk and talk with you. Something that's very, very simple. It doesn't have to be like an interview. It doesn't have to be anything long and drawn out. It doesn't have to be the start of a best friendship. None of that. It could just be a hello and being open. So often we want to meet folks and just, oh my gosh, we're best friends for life. And I will say this. The best friends I have, we did become best friends quickly, but it wasn't like one day, like I meet you today and we're best friends. No, you got to get to know folks. And I will say with this journey, you want to have balance. Yes, you want friends, that is important, but you also came to school for your academics. Also, with friends, you just want to be mindful of having like minded friends. They don't have to be exactly like you, you don't have to be the exact same person, but I encourage you to have friends that have similar interests. So, friends who are in your major, friends who care about the same things that you care about, and also leave the friendship open. So you might find that the friends that you have in the first semester might not be the friends that you have in the second semester. And it could be that it's just not a good fit. And it has nothing to do with you as a person, but it is okay for your friendships to ebb and flow. I just want to say that. That's all we have for this episode. As we say here at Boosie Teaches, in a galaxy of learners, Boosie Teaches lights the way. See you in the next episode.